Yeah, yo, 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 yo. Hey, look at the camera and go, fuck this shit.
Fuck what shit? You just tried.
Sure.
You did say that.
Sure it is. That's because you took out the side that was already ripped the fuck up into hell.
I knew what I was doing.
Apparently not, otherwise you wouldn't have need them new headlights.
Well, who's got their light in already? Oh, shit.
Did you hear what I said?
What? What?
I said, you got the side where it was already half-assed torn apart. Broken, busted. Yeah. Almost got your light in. That ain't even close. Okay, we'll just sit here and video your butt.
I thought you weren't videoing anything.
That was it with the other camera.
That's bullshit.
Got a lot of your ass in it.
You're gonna Google YouTube. What's that shit?
I don't have to Google YouTube. I already know where that is. I want to see, now what does it look like there, huh? It looks like a headlight with plastic on it. Check it out though, my side's coming out without getting all beat to hell.
Mine's not beat the hell either. So.
She's lying.